Do you ever feel like your work communication is scattered across a dozen different platforms? Emails for some things, chat apps for others, then there's the phone. It can be a real headache, right? Especially when you're trying to collaborate with a team or worse, keep track of client conversations. You jump from one tab to another, searching for that crucial piece of information, and before you know it, half your day is gone just managing your communications. It's inefficient, it's frustrating, and it definitely impacts your productivity. Think about it. You're trying to call a client, but their number is buried in an email. You need to quickly share a file with a colleague, but your team chat app doesn't integrate with your document storage. Someone leaves a voicemail, and you have to switch over to your desk phone to retrieve it. This constant switching isn't just annoying. It creates silos of information. Critical details can get lost in the shuffle, leading to misunderstandings, missed deadlines, and ultimately, a less effective workflow. This fragmented communication isn't just about convenience. It's about control, efficiency, and ensuring that every interaction, every piece of data, is exactly where you need it when you need it. What if there was a way to bring all of that together? Your calls, your messages, your team collaboration, even your video meetings, all in one place, accessible from your desktop? Imagine the clarity, the ease, the sheer power of having everything you need, consolidated and streamlined, right at your fingertips. No more tab hopping, no more searching, just seamless, integrated communication. That's exactly what the RingCentral app offers. It's designed to centralize your business communications, transforming your desktop into a powerful hub where every interaction is just a click away. Today, we're going to walk through the incredibly simple process of installing the RingCentral app on your desktop. Whether you're on a Windows PC or a Mac, I'll show you step-by-step how to get this essential tool up and running, empowering you to take back control of your workday. This isn't just about installing an application. It's about unlocking a new level of productivity and collaboration for yourself and your team. First things first, let's get you to the right place to download the app. The easiest way to do this is to head over to the official RingCentral website. You can usually find a direct link to their downloads page or a dedicated apps section. If you're struggling to find it, a quick search on Google for RingCentral Desktop App Download will get you there instantly. Once you're on the download page, you'll typically see options for both Windows and Mac operating systems. Make sure you select the correct version for your computer. This is crucial for a smooth installation. Once you've clicked on the download link, your browser will start downloading the installer file. This file is usually quite small, so it shouldn't take too long, even on a slower internet connection. You'll see the progress in your browser's download bar or window. While it's downloading, it's a good idea to close any unnecessary applications running in the background. This just ensures that your computer is focused on the installation process and minimizes any potential conflicts. Alright, the download is complete. Now it's time to launch the installer. If you're using Windows, you'll likely find the downloaded file in your Downloads folder. It will usually have an .exe extension. Double-click on this file to begin the installation process. If you're on a Mac, the file will probably be a .dmg file. Again, find it in your Downloads and double-click to open it. For Windows users, once you double-click the .exe file, you might see a user account control prompt asking if you want to allow the app to make changes to your device. This is a standard security measure, and you'll want to click Yes to proceed. After that, the RingCentral installer wizard will pop up. It's very user-friendly. You'll typically just click Next through a few screens. You might be asked to agree to the terms and conditions. Make sure you read them, and then check the box to accept. You might also be given an option to choose the installation location. For most users, the default location is perfectly fine, so you can just click Install. Mac users, after opening the .dmg file, a window will appear showing the RingCentral app icon and an applications folder alias. To install, simply drag the RingCentral app icon into the applications folder. This will copy the application to your computer. Once the copying is complete, you can close the window and eject the .dmg file from your desktop or Finder sidebar. The installation process itself is usually very quick, a matter of seconds to a minute or two depending on your system. You'll see a progress bar indicating the installation status. Once it's finished, You'll usually see a confirmation message that says, "Installation complete," or "Setup successful." Often, there will be a checkbox to launch RingCentral immediately, which you can leave checked. And just like that, the RingCentral app is installed. If you opted to launch it immediately, it will open up and present you with a login screen. This is where you'll enter your RingCentral credentials, your email or phone number, and your password. If you're new to RingCentral and your administrator has set up an account for you, they should have provided you with these details. If you're part of a larger organization, they might have specific instructions for your initial login or single sign-on options. Once you log in, you'll be greeted by the main RingCentral app interface. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with it. You'll see sections for calls, messages, contacts, and meetings, all neatly organized. You can start making calls directly from your desktop, send messages to colleagues, join video conferences, and even manage your voicemails, all without ever leaving the app. It's intuitive, powerful, and designed to make your work life significantly easier. You can explore the settings to customize notifications, audio devices, and other preferences to tailor the app to your specific workflow. The beauty of the desktop app is its seamless integration with your computer's hardware, allowing for crystal clear calls and smooth video meetings. Congratulations! You've successfully installed the RingCentral app on your desktop. You're now equipped with a centralized communication hub that will revolutionize the way you work. No more scattered conversations. No more wasted time searching for information. With everything in one place, you'll be more efficient, more collaborative, and ultimately more productive. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.